Well, hi folks. Remember this? This is my mini Lidl cheap foamy chuck glider conversion into a biplane. Now these are, you can buy these for as little as £3 or £4. Great for conversion, and the total build blog, very detailed build blog, is on my channel. I'll link it at the end. Anyway, this was the Maiden, which was a bit weird because all it wanted to do was fly around in circles. So plenty of theories about why that was happening, like wings warped, wings out of line, so on and so forth. But anyway, I did also notice that I hadn't given the motor any right thrust, so I gave it some right thrust. There was also a very slight difference in the spacing of the wings on one side, so I corrected that, and this is the story of the second Maiden. How do you think it went? Let's take a look. Wow. Well, apart from the fact that I had an engine problem there, well, I think it's actually a speed controller problem because I couldn't get it above half throttle. But as you can see, it does fly well now. Last time I was up here I had the same problem, couldn't get it past half throttle, engine kept stopping, and as you can see again, well, maybe it's going to fly this time, let's see. Nope. Right, I think I've got the speed controller behaving itself. Let's try again. Oh, not a positive enough throw. No! Bloody motor stopped again! No, it's as soon as I apply elevator. But as we can see, at least it's flying nice and straight now since I put a bit of right thrust on it. So I think I can call this a success. I think the battery is not delivering enough power so that as soon as I start moving control surfaces, that just takes out that little bit of power. I could try it with a 3S. And as you can see, still doesn't want to turn right. I'm going to land. Oh, it does turn right. It's not very happy turning right. I'm going to land and give it some right trim. Oh, what a beautiful landing. Right, well, I think I'm almost there with this. That was flying really well, apart from the fact I couldn't get it to turn right. It was on max right trim, so I've gone into sub trim, given it a bit more, and let's see if this is now perfect. That's better. And now, with the 3S and trimmed properly, just look at that. That's about half throttle. That's hands-free. Oh, it's a beauty to fly. Let's see what happens when it stalls. That's half throttle. And the battery's going. Battery's just died. Well, at least despite a disastrous start, the day has ended well. If you've enjoyed this tale of woe today, why not check out some of my vids and even hit the subscribe. But that's all for now. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you all later. Bye for now.